Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Nissan Rogue's oil change reminder. This is a simple process that ensures your vehicle's maintenance system is up to date after an oil service. First, you'll need to locate the information display button on your dashboard, which is typically found near the steering wheel or on the instrument panel. This button allows you to cycle through various vehicle information screens and access important settings. With the ignition on and the engine off, press the Info button repeatedly until you reach the Maintenance or Settings menu on your display screen. Once there, use the arrow buttons, often conveniently located on the steering wheel, to scroll down and highlight the Engine Oil option. Then, press the Enter or OK button to select it. This action brings you closer to clearing that persistent service reminder. After successfully selecting engine oil, you'll typically see the current mileage displayed since the last reset. Now, carefully navigate through the options to find and choose Reset or Clear. To confirm the reset, press and hold the Enter or OK button for approximately 3 to 5 seconds. The display will then confirm that the reset is complete, effectively zeroing out the oil life monitor and preparing it for your next service interval. Remember to perform this essential reset immediately after every oil change to ensure accurate monitoring of your vehicle's maintenance schedule. While these steps are generally consistent for many Nissan Rogue models, always refer to your specific owner's manual for any unique instructions or variations. Crucially, make sure the engine is off, but the ignition is in the on position before you begin this process. You've successfully reset your oil reminder.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.